And I fight with the strength that I got until I die. So I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me.
Hello gang, welcome to my series, Slavery Paid for from my own pocket. Let's begin. Who am I? I am Rose Maliza Mapemba, a practicing Catholic. God came first in my life. I come from a big family. I have 7 siblings and 2 half siblings. I have almost 30 nephews and nieces. I am a copy of my dad in character and physically. I inherit from my dad in integrity and a strong character. My dad taught me to be proud of who I am, to never feel inferior to nobody, and to respect everybody, no matter their rank. I inherit from my mom the strength to work hard and resiliency. I am 38 years old. I was born in Lubumbashi, Congo DRC. And in 2018, I took the Canadian citizenship. I got my bachelor degree in Congo in computer science. I was among the 5 first. Here in Montreal, Canada, I got my master's degree in telecommunication with honors. I also have few certifications like Cisco, AWS, ETL, Zscaler. As of my hobbies, I like to read, I like TV, mostly true stories and autobiographies, and religion, of course. I also like jogging and bike. I love a great laugh. And finally, I am a shy person. I am an introvert. That's it. See you in the next episode where I talk about the beginning of my professional experience. Big revelations are coming. Stay tuned. So, can't wait to see you